in this video we will learn how to draw graph of a linear equation in two variables. So let us take a linear equation 2x plus y equal to 6. So the first step in drawing the graph is that we draw the table as we have learned earlier. So we will draw a table. This is x and this is y. So again we will start with different values. Say if x is 0, then y is equal to 6. X is 0, y is equal to 6. When x is 1, so 2x will become 1, so y will become 4. When x is 2, y is also 2. And when x is 3, y is 0. And when x is 4, y will become minus 2. So how do we draw this graph? So first step is we make the table. The second step is how to draw the graph. So for drawing the graph, what we do is first we define the origin. Okay. Because we have most of the point in, so this is the origin, this is x-axis and this is y-axis. So the first point is x is 0, y is 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the point. This is number 1. So number 2 point is x is 1, y is 4. So this is the second point. Third point, this one is 2, 2. So x is 2, y is 2. Then the next point is x is 3, y is 0. So this is the next point. So we have these points. So by convention, so that to distinguish this point, we circle the point. And the next point is x is 4, minus 2. So this is the point. Now we see that we have 5 points. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And all these 5 points we can see are in a straight line. So we can draw a straight line from these 5 points. And this is called the graph of linear equation. In this particular case, 2x plus y is equal to 6. So it will always be a straight line. It will be graph of a linear equation is straight line. So the graph of linear equation is a straight line. And in fact, that is one reason, that is the reason this is called linear equation, because we always get a line. Linear is coming from line, linear equation. Now a quick method of drawing a linear equation is the shortcut method, and that is finding the 2 points, because as we know that we can always draw a line if we know the 2 points. And the shortcut method we have learned earlier, that we take when x is 0 and when y is 0. So we just draw these 2 points. So in this particular case, when we know x is 0, y is 6, and when y is 0, this is 3. So these are the 2 points. So by the shortcut method, these are the 2 points. This is 1 point and this is the second point. So we just draw a line connecting these 2 points, we will get the same line. And all the points which are there on this line are the solution of the linear equation 2x plus y is equal to 6. So all the points. So we have seen 5 points here. but any point, we can write any point, we can just tick any point on this line and that will be a solution. So any point on this line is a solution of this linear equation. So this is another way of finding more solutions of a linear equation. And as you know that line is extending to infinity on both the sides, and a line has infinite number of points, therefore there are infinite solution of a linear equation. And we have also learned that why it is called linear equation, because the graph of a linear equation in two variable is always a straight line. Now when a equation has no constant, this is a constant, suppose this is 0. So there is an equation like 2x plus y is equal to, so let me remove this thing, is equal to 0. Or a equation like x plus y is equal to 0. Or a equation like x is equal to 3y. Now all these equations has no constant. So any equation which does not have constant like 1, 2, 3, they will all pass through origin. So in a Cartesian plane, they will always pass through this, because one point, when x is 0, y is also 0. When x is 0, y is 0. When y is 0, x is 0. Like that. So one point is always there, and we have to find one more point by substituting like x is equal to 1 and then find another value of y, and then we can draw a line. So this is just to remember that when the constant, this constant is equal to 0, then such a linear equation will always pass through the origin of the Cartesian plane. So we have learned how to draw graph of a linear equation. This is a two-step method. First draw the table and then put all the points on the graph paper and draw a line connecting these points. Then that is the graph of the linear equation. And a shortcut method is that we just find two points of the linear equation and connect these 2 points. And the shortcut method is when x is 0 and when the y is 0, we just take these 2 points. Thank you.